Hello everybody, welcome once again. I Can by Rubey here. And we got a good topic at hand today. The topic at hand today is the frequency you put out. Let me tell you something, you wouldn't believe how we put out a vibrational, I don't know if you would call it field or whatever. I'm not how would you say, in that field to totally get into that. But I will say, just from stuff that I've studied and knowledge that I obtained, that we do put out an energy that we put out, and we also, I would believe that we could receive it. The same way we could put it out, we can receive it. So I believe everything is a vibration, a frequency. That frequency we put out until we get aligned and straight with in us from the top all the way up to the bottom up, whatever way you want to say, all your chakras or your spirit or your soul. You know, we all believe pretty much in different things, but in the end, if you really look at it through, I believe in all belief systems, there's always some interconnection, that there is a higher power and purpose. And that is what I'm telling you, got to connect into. You got to get into that. So, the frequency you put out. Good question, right? So I'm going to give you a couple exercises to do with this one. Frequency you put out, what I want you to do is at all constant times, try to keep that good energy and good flow going out. And what I mean by that is, one thing that I'm going to let you in on, a little secret that we have all forgotten as how do you say, humans, just us as a species in general, is that we have put in a huge separation and rift. I don't know why. No matter where you are in the world or whatever it is, there's no reason for us to be fighting or whatever it may be amongst each other. We're all the same. All is one. You might hear this word come through many belief systems, religions, whatever it may be, one. It's for a reason, because we are all as one. There is no difference between us. The differences and splits and everything was just caused amongst ourselves. In order for us to evolve, we have to break free of all of that. And that's what we got to do. And the one thing you got to always remember, let me tell you something. Sometimes you might say, well, Rubey, how can I just myself, one person, do this? Oh, yes, you can. One at a time, we could start getting in there and getting into that, back into that spirit, into ourselves and what we really love about life and what we love to do. So, back on topic at hand. That frequency. Now, when you're in line and in tune with everything, your mind, it'll be clear, and then when you have your body in healthy, good condition, and you don't let things get mad at you, and you're always in a positive mainframe and attitude, things start to change. You start to attract what you put out, which is good energy, good flow. Opportunities will come, things will come your way, things will change. And this also comes with, don't forget, also putting out good deeds and good thoughts. So it's all in a circle. Everything in life is like a cycle. Starts one way, comes back around, and ends. Then you go back to it again and again and again. Those cycles are everyday issues, just like small things in life, bigger things. Small cycles, big cycles, we go through them, right? We get through one task and we're like, oh, or you'll say, if I could just get through this. And what happens when you do? Later on, you might be at that same problem. But if you put out that good frequency, if you put a lot of these practices and motions and exercises that we've been talking about and get them all together, you won't even realize that you're doing one another. Next thing you know, you're building a new you, a new self that is just basically self-sufficient, confident, belief in yourself, the energy you put out, the frequency. You're gonna start to see people tell you, there's something about you. Can't put my finger on it, but there's something different. Oh, there's something different. You've been working on yourself and making a better version of yourself. So remember, put out that good frequency, that good vibe, that good energy, because you wouldn't believe what you can accomplish and what you can do. Just try it. Doesn't hurt at all, right? Well, thank you all. I Can by Rubey here. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I wish you the best in whatever you do. Take care, guys and girls. Bye-bye.